Hello and very good morning to all my dear students. So after 3 days holidays we are again back to our studies and hope you have enjoyed your Eid festival as well as Raksha Bandhan, and now we have to start our civics part. Yes students, for the term 1's history part, chapter 3, 4 and 5 are completed, and now we will start civics. And in civics I have taken two chapters, 21 and 22 for term 1. So this is the chapter number 21 given on page number 179. So I request you all to open your books and read with me. First of all, read the heading. These are new words for you: prejudice, discrimination and inequality. Yes, repeat again: prejudice, discrimination and inequality. So my dear students, first of all you should know the meaning of all the words which are given here. Prejudice means preconceived opinion that is not based on the reason or actual experience. That means सुनी सुनाई बातों पर भरोसा करना, विश्वास करना और अपना एक्सपीरियंस के बगैर ही किसी भी बात पर भरोसा और बिलीव कर लेना, दैट इज नोन एज prejudice. And it can harm also. So another word for prejudice is harm. So my dear students, next word which is given in the heading is discrimination. Discrimination, I have written all these meanings for you: the unjust treatment of different categories of people, especially on the grounds of race, age or etc. So discrimination means it is unjust treatment. It is not good treatment with others. It is unjust treatment. Unjust means partiality करना किसी के साथ, that is discrimination. And the last word given in the heading is inequality. Inequality means difference between others, thinking that inequality meaning I will explain you in the chapter properly. You know from one word, difference. Now see the big idea: prejudice, its causes and its effect. इसके क्या क्या causes होते हैं और क्या effects होते हैं लोगों के ऊपर. Prejudice, I have told you that without thinking, believing in somebody else talks or beliefs. So prejudice के causes क्या हैं और effects क्या हैं. Next word is stereotypes. Stereotype is also a new word for you that I will explain you in the chapter. Discrimination and inequality, striving for equality. These are the topics we will start in this chapter. We will read in the chapter. Now, the newsmaker. Newsmaker, all of you should read from the book. And after watching this video, you should have a reading of full paragraphs, whatever I have done in this video or in the class, online class. You should read yourself so that you can understand well. So newsmaker is Nelson Mandela, was a Nobel Peace Prize winning anti-apartheid activist and a political leader from South Africa. Anti-apartheid. Apartheid means difference between white and black. So he was a black person, and in South Africa there was discrimination between white and black, white people and black people. So he was anti-apartheid activist and a political leader from South Africa. वो काले और गोरे में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं समझते थे, and he believed in equality. So he was anti-apartheid. He was the first democratically elected president of South Africa. He spent 27 years in prison. In prison means in jail. He spent 27 years in prison. 27 years he was in jail due to his protest against the policy of apartheid, because he was against the policy of apartheid. That means apartheid means difference between white and black. So he was against the policy. So he was for 20 years he was in jail. A system of racial segregation on the basis of color. He worked tirelessly against the discrimination policy and demolished the system after becoming the president of South Africa in 1994. And he worked tirelessly without getting tired. He worked tirelessly against the discriminatory policy. Discriminatory means differences between white and black, and demolished. Demolished means जड़ से हटा देना, and demolished the system after becoming the president of South Africa in 1994. So it is about discrimination that this Nelson Mandela, he was the first activist against apartheid. He was, and also he got Nobel Peace Prize also, and he became president of South Africa in 1994. He was for 27 years he was in jail due to this, that he was against apartheid. So this was the newsmaker, and now downside you can see the various topics which are going to be in our chapter. All these topics will be there in our chapter: prejudice, stereotype and discrimination. So let's start the chapter in the next video.